Hey, what's up, guys? Are you getting a file import failure or importer reported a generic error in Premiere Pro after copying your project with Project Manager? If yes, stay tuned. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly what causes this issue and how to fix it. My name is Mazhar, and at RightSolution, I create tutorial for all you DIY people. Now, let's get started. Here's the project I copied to a new location using Project Manager. And when I tried to open it, it showed me a missing media error box. I tried to browse it and link the missing file, but it did not work. Instead, it showed me file import failure message. So I canceled the linking process. Now the project was open, but the media is missing. Then in the timeline, I tried to link this missing media again, but it ended up showing me file import failure, which says importer reported a generic error. What this error really means, basically Premiere tried to access or read a media file and failed, but does not know exactly how to explain it. Now, before I head to the solution, here I'm listing the most common causes for missing media or media loader errors. So you will have the options to work around if my solution did not solve your issue. The first one, and this one is very common, broken or invalid file paths. It happens when you use Project Manager. Premiere Pro copies media, rewrites file paths, but sometimes the folders get renamed, moved, or drive letters changes like from C to D or from D to E. The second common cause is the path length limitation. Windows traditionally has a 260 character path limit, so if it is more than that, it could cause a problem of recognizing the file. The next common cause can be the Project Manager copy issues. Project Manager sometimes misses files, breaks folder hierarchies, does not copy proxies correctly, or create nested folders which could lead to the missing media files. Another common cause is the codecs or format problems. Sometimes the file uses unsupported or partially supported codecs. Even media can get corrupted during copy process. And the fifth cause in my list is the permissions issues. If the files are on external drive or on a restricted folder, even then Premiere cannot read them properly. Since we all have the understanding of common issues now, let's fix my media import error. Now let's open the project folder, and here is my media file. As I know my backed up project path is very long, I'm going to copy this media file from here and I will paste it into the download folder. Now come back to the project timeline, right click on the missing media and select link media. Click on locate, then go to the drive C, scroll to the user folder, then select your user and scroll down to the folder you have actually pasted your file. I will select download. You can see now my file is here. Click on it and click OK. And here you can see that my media file is back to life. You can use the same process if there are other missing files in your project. That's it for this video. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick solutions.